Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about extension of symmetric and symmetric matrix. Today's topic is express the given matrix is the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. This is the topic today. Express the given matrix is the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Already we know that in last class we discussed very clearly what is meant by symmetric matrix. Already we discussed what is meant by symmetric matrix, what is meant by skew symmetric matrix, what is meant by symmetric matrix, what is meant by skew symmetric matrix. Already we know symmetric matrix means A transpose is equals to A. What is meant by skew symmetric matrix? Skew symmetric matrix means A transpose value is equals to minus A. In last theorem also we discussed very clearly. Before discussion about this topic, already we know very clearly. Here we know very clearly. Always A plus A transpose. Last theorem we discussed. We know always A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Very, very important. Symmetric matrix. Already we know this theorem already we discussed. Always A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Similarly, we know A minus A transpose, last class theorems, A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Already we know A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric. This topic is very, very important while discussion of this part. A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. We solved some example problems also. A minus A transpose always is a skew symmetric matrix. Same condition. A symmetric matrix is multiplied by one scalar. A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. One scalar is multiplied in this one. The resultant matrix also symmetric matrix. Scalar is nothing but some number. Means from this same condition, K into A plus A transpose, K into A plus A transpose. A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Similarly, K into A plus A transpose, this is also symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Same condition, A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Same condition we know, one scalar is multiplied here. K into A minus A transpose is also skew symmetric matrix. This is a small information. First you have to remember very clearly. Last theorem, last class we discussed. A plus A transpose is symmetric. Similarly, one scalar is K into A plus A transpose is also symmetric matrix. A minus A transpose is skew symmetric matrix. Same condition, K into A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. This is a basic information first we need to remember. Now here what is their discussion? Express the given matrix as, means they will give one matrix. Here I am giving one matrix. Matrix A is the problem. Matrix A 1, 2, minus 3, 4. Assumption. This is one matrix. This matrix we need to express. This matrix can be written as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. What is meant by symmetric matrix means already we know that what is the answer we are getting. The matrix transpose will get the same answer. So that's the condition. How we are expressing this matrix A can be written as sum means addition of the two matrices. Addition of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix we need to represent. How we are representing about the given matrix as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. Before going to discuss about this concept, we are remembering about this part very clearly. Always A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Always A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. Last class we discussed this theorem properly. We need to check it in your notes. Same condition. K into A plus A transpose is also symmetric matrix. Here K is nothing but some scalar. Scalar is nothing but some number 1, 2, 5, anything whatever. K into A minus A transpose is a skew symmetric matrix. This concept we need to remember. This topic discussion is very easy for us. Now we are going to the topic. This is a problem. How we are expressing the given matrix A, how we are representing the given matrix A can be represented as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix means. How we are representing means. First we are finding out in this given matrix A, we need to find out A transpose. This is matrix A. Matrix A, what is matrix A already is given? 1, 2, minus 3, 4. Find A transpose. How we are find out A transpose? Already we know very clearly about the remaining topic. How to find out A transpose of the given matrix. Rows are interchanges to columns. Columns are interchanges to rows. The value can be written as 1, 2, minus 3, 4. This is the value of A transpose. This is matrix A. This is transpose of matrix A. Next to find out the value of A plus A transpose. A plus A transpose. A plus, why we are calculating A plus A transpose? Already we know very clearly. Always A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. Always A plus A transpose is a symmetric matrix. We are representing the given matrix A can be represented as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric means. First we need to calculate one symmetric matrix. Again we need to calculate one skew symmetric. Both we need to add, we get the same matrix A. That is sum means addition of two matrices. So we need to find out A plus A transpose. We need to find out what is matrix A. Matrix A is 1, 2, minus 3, 4 plus. What is transpose of A? 1, minus 3, 2, 4. We are adding off this one, we will get the value of A plus transpose of A matrix. Answer is how we are writing? Consider adding. We know that 1 plus 1. While adding, we need to check the condition also. Then also how we are adding? Adding with corresponding elements. 1 plus 1, 2. Then 2 plus minus 3, minus 1. Next, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1. Next, 4 plus 4, 8. Here, this A plus A transpose, A plus A transpose, we need to find. We are assumption of, we need to find. This is A plus A transpose. From this A plus A transpose, we are assumption of let matrix, another matrix I am representing. Another matrix I am representing. The matrix name is called it as P. The matrix name is called it as P. P can be written as 1 by 2 times of A plus transpose of A. Here 1 by 2 is nothing but it is a scalar. 1 by 2 is nothing but it is a scalar. So we need to calculate P value is equals to, here I am writing 1 by 2 times of 2 minus 1 8. What the answer is coming? P can be written as 1 by 2 is a scalar. Multiply with each element. 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 4. This is matrix P. Now find out what is transpose of P. Now what is transpose of P? What is transpose of P? Already we know that P is a symmetric matrix. We need to interchange also. Rows are interchanges to columns. Columns also interchanges to rows. We will get same answer. The value can be written as 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 4. That is P. See, transpose of P can be written also matrix P. We have to write down immediately. Therefore, P is a symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. See, repeat. Enter the problem. First listen carefully. The given matrix A. From the given matrix A, first find out the value of transpose of A. Then find out the value of A plus A transpose. Once we need to find out the value of A plus A transpose, then we need to find the value of, I have assumption of the matrix name is called it as Q. Q can be written as 1 by 2 times of A minus transpose, A plus transpose of A. I will find out, we will get the value of matrix P. We need to find out transpose of P also, we will get the matrix same P. That is, here we have to know that P is a symmetric matrix. P transpose is equals to P, we are getting immediately, we know that P is a symmetric matrix. Similarly, we are assumption of, I am assumption of matrix Q can be assumption of A minus A. Matrix Q can be written as 1 by 2 times of 1 by 2 times of, before we need to find the value of A minus A transpose. We need to find A minus A transpose. Here place is not subject, but I write A. What is matrix A here? Here matrix A 1, 2, minus 3, 4 minus of A transpose 1 minus 3, 2, 4. By doing the subtraction, A minus A transpose value can be written as 0, 5, 0, 5 minus 5, 0. Then I am assumption of let capital letter Q. Q can be written as 1 by 2 times of A minus transpose of A. We need to calculate. The value can be written as 1 by 2 times of 0, 5 minus 5, 0. The answer we are getting 0, 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2, 0. Here we need to find out transpose of Q. Now, Q transpose. We are finding Q transpose. The answer can be written as 0, minus 5 by 2, 5 by 2, 0. This can be written as minus Q. See, here I am writing. Listen carefully. In this given matrix A, find out A transpose. After find outing the value of A transpose, then A plus A transpose calculate. Then we need the assumption of P can be written as 1 by 2 times of A plus A transpose. Then we will get the answer. Here P is a symmetric matrix we proved. Then we need to find A minus A transpose. After find outing A minus A transpose, we need to find, let the matrix Q assumption of 1 by 2 times of A minus transpose of A. Then 1 by 2 times of A minus transpose of A we need to calculate. Then we will get the value of Q. Matrix Q can be written as 0, 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 0. Then find outing transpose of Q. Transpose of Q we are doing, we get the value of minus Q. Whenever we are getting transpose of Q value, we are getting as a minus Q. Immediately we know that, therefore Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix. Now P is a symmetric matrix, Q is a skew symmetric matrix. P is a symmetric matrix, Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Then we are adding these two. P symmetric, one symmetric matrix, Q skew symmetric matrix. Adding of these two matrices. How we are getting the answer? Very clear? Now matrix P plus matrix Q. What is matrix P? Matrix P is, already we know that, 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 4 plus, what is matrix Q? 0 minus 5 by 2 5 by 2 then 0. Adding of these two, what is the answer we are getting? 1 plus 0, 1. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Plus minus 5 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Plus minus 5 by 2. What is the answer we are getting? Sorry. Minus 1 by 2 plus minus 5 by 2. What is the answer we are getting? The answer we are getting minus this is matrix Q is, this is plus 5 by 2, this is minus 5 by 2. This is plus 5 by 2, this is minus 5 by 2. Matrix P, matrix Q, 0, 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 0. Matrix Q, 0, 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2, 0. Then we are adding minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Our answer is immediately 4 by 2, that is 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2. We are getting the answer is minus 3. Then 4 plus 0, we are getting the answer is 4. Immediately we know that P plus Q, we are getting the answer of A. See here we have tried out. Therefore, P plus Q can be written as A. See what they are asking for our express the given matrix A. This is our answer, final answer over. Express the given matrix A can be expressed as sum of symmetric. P is a symmetric matrix, proved, and skew symmetric. Q is a skew symmetric matrix. So P plus Q is equals to A. Whenever we are getting the answer, immediately we are getting, hence it is proved. This is our answer. That's important for 3 mark question. Important for 3 mark question. The topic is express the given matrix as sum of symmetric. P is a symmetric matrix and skew symmetric. Q is a skew symmetric. Already we proved. P is a symmetric matrix. Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Whenever we are adding one symmetric and the skew symmetric matrix, we will get the same matrix. So our answer is, hence it is proved. The given matrix A can be represented as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric. P is a symmetric matrix. Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Important for this is for 3 mark question. We discuss one more problem for 3 by 3 matrix. Yes, we are discussing about one more for 3 by 3 matrix. Express the given matrix A as this. The problem is express the given matrix A as the sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Same problem they are asking, but they are giving 3 by 3 matrix. Matrix A 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3. This is the problem. Express the given matrix as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. Here the matrix is A is 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3. Same condition in this matrix also. First we need to find out transpose of A. Transpose of A. Already we know that what is transpose of A? Rows are interchanges to columns. Columns are interchanges to rows. This is the first row. 6 minus 2 2. Next minus 2 3 minus 1. Then 2 minus 1 3. This is A transpose. Now we are calculating. Now A plus A transpose first to find out. A plus transpose of A. A plus transpose of A, that is says minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3 plus 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3 plus 6 minus 2 2 then minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3. What the answer we are getting here? 6 plus 6 12 minus 2 minus 4. Then 2 plus 2 4. Next minus 2 minus 4. The next 3 plus 3 6. Then minus 1 minus 2. 2 plus 2 4. Then minus 1 minus 2. 3 plus 3 6. Here we are assumption of let matrix P can be written as 1 by 2 times of A plus transpose of A. That is 1 by 2 times of 12 minus 4 4 minus 4 6 minus 2 4 minus 2 6. Same like 2 by 2 matrix, how we are solving, same condition. From this solving, what is the matrix P we are getting here? Matrix P is 1 by 2 multiplication 6 minus 2 2 minus 2 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 3. Here find out in here find out in P transpose. Once we have to find out the value of transpose of P, we will get same. P 6 minus 2, 2, 2 minus 3, 3, 6 minus 2, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 3. So we are getting same one. Here we are getting same answer. Therefore, P transpose value is equals to P. Therefore, P is a symmetric matrix. P is a symmetric matrix. Now, find out the value of A minus transpose of A. A minus transpose of A. What is matrix A? 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 minus of. What is transpose of A? Transpose of A also we are getting same answer. 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3. Same matrix. Immediately we know that A minus A transpose, we are getting 0 matrix. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 0 matrix. So 0 matrix. Why? Because A matrix A and a transpose of A both are same. So it's a 0 matrix. We are assumption of let matrix Q can be written as 1 by 2 times of A minus transpose of A. 1 by 2 is a scalar. Scalar is multiple with the 0 matrix. We will get the same 0 matrix. The value can be written as 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we need to this is a matrix Q. We need to find out transpose of Q. 0 matrix, we need to find out transpose of Q. We will get same 0 matrix, no problem. So 0 matrix is a symmetric matrix. 0 matrix is a skew symmetric matrix also, no problem about that one. 0 matrix is a symmetric matrix. 0 matrix is also skew symmetric matrix. We need to write up to here. Then we have any doubt you have to ask me. This is a matrix of 3 by 3 matrix A. Find A transpose. Then A plus A transpose. After that we need to find out P can be written as 1 by 2 times of A plus A transpose. We will get matrix P. Then find next. We need to find out transpose of P. The answer will come as a P. So P is a symmetric matrix. Find out matrix Q. Then after find outing matrix Q, find out transpose of Q. Transpose of Q also will get 0 matrix. Now, transpose of Q. Transpose of Q means that matrix transpose. 0 matrix transpose means we get same 0 matrix. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is Q matrix and also skew symmetric. So Q transpose can be written as minus 2. Yes, it is possible. Therefore, Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric. Now we are representing. What they are asking? The question is express the given matrix can be represented as sum of symmetric. One is symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. Q is a skew symmetric matrix. Now matrix P plus matrix Q. Matrix P. What is matrix P? 6 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3 plus Q is a skew symmetric matrix. All 0 matrix 0, 0, 0, 0, all 0 matrices. By adding this one, we will get the matrices 6 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 3, that is equals to matrix A. Therefore, P plus Q is equals to A. Hence it is proved. Why? Because the question is express the given matrix A can be expressed as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So A P plus Q is equals to A because A here P is a symmetric matrix and the Q is a skew symmetric. Hence it is proved. That is our answer over. Hence it is proved. Then last class we discussed one theorem regarding about symmetric and skew symmetric. Then we will discuss one more theorem today. One more theorem. One more theorem. If matrix A and matrix B are symmetric matrices, are symmetric matrices of same order. If matrix A and matrix B are symmetric matrices of same order, then show that AB minus BA, AB minus BA is skew symmetric matrix. Is skew symmetric matrix. What is given here? If capital A and capital B are, symmetric matrices of same order, then prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. This is the problem. In this problem, what is given? Very clear, very simple. All are thinking about the theorem is very difficult. No, we have to understand the concept very clearly. Very easy to understand. What is given? Solution given. What is given? Capital A and capital B. These are the two matrices. Matrix A and matrix B are symmetric matrices. Symmetric matrices. Already we know that. What is meant by symmetric matrix? Symmetric matrix already given. Inside the theorem itself given. A and B are symmetric. What is the meaning of A and B are symmetric matrices? Means A transpose value is equals to A. B transpose value is equals to B. This is given. Very, very important. A and B are symmetric matrices means A transpose value is equals to A. B transpose value is, this is the rule of the symmetric matrix. This we are assumption of equation number 1. Very simple. In the theorem they are giving that A and B are symmetric matrices. What is the meaning of symmetric matrices? A and B are the symmetric matrices means A transpose value is equals to A, B transpose value. This is the condition of symmetric matrices. What we are proving? Then show that AB minus BA. This is a matrix. This matrix we are proving as skew symmetric matrix. This total we are assumption of one matrix. This total we are assumption of one matrix. What is the name of that matrix? AB minus BA. AB minus BA we are getting as a one matrix. That matrix we are getting as a skew symmetric. What is the meaning of skew symmetric? Already we know the condition of what is the meaning of skew symmetric? A matrix A transpose value is equals to minus A. That is called it as skew symmetric. Suppose this matrix we are assumption of a Q, or this matrix we are assumption of a matrix P. P transpose we are getting as a minus P. This is called it as skew symmetric matrix. Then I am assumption of let matrix P. This total matrix I am assumption of matrix P. Matrix P can be written as AB minus BA. Very clear information. This what we are proving that matrix. I am assumption of matrix P. Matrix P can be written as AB minus BA. Now we need to find out matrix P transpose. P transpose we are getting as a minus P. Our answer is correct. Now we are finding P transpose. P transpose means what the answer will come? AB minus BA whole transpose. Again, repeat. Please understand the concept very clearly. Very easy concept also. What is given? A and B are symmetric matrices. What is the meaning of symmetric matrices? A transpose is equals to A. B transpose is equals to B. This is given. Very clear. Next, we need to prove it. This matrix as a skew symmetric matrix. This matrix as a skew symmetric matrix means this matrix I assumption of one matrix, that is P. Now I am calculating the value of transpose of P. Transpose of P means AB minus BA whole transpose. This is in the form of A minus B whole transpose. Already we know the transpose of a matrix concept. A minus B whole transpose. What the answer will come? A transpose minus B transpose. A minus B whole transpose. Formula is A transpose minus B transpose. The value can be written as AB whole transpose minus BA whole transpose. How we are getting? Do you have any doubt also you are trying? The condition is A minus B whole transpose is equals to A transpose minus B transpose formula. That's the formula. Okay now. So AB whole transpose minus BA whole transpose. This is again in the form of A into B whole transpose. A into B whole transpose formula can be written as, how we are writing A into B whole transpose? The formula is B transpose minus B transpose into A transpose minus A transpose into B transpose. Why? Because already in the case of transpose of a matrix, A into B whole transpose, this is also condition. A into B whole transpose is equals to B transpose into, this is also one properties of transpose of a matrix conception. See, already we know that transpose of Q can be written as B transpose into A transpose minus A transpose into B transpose. From equation number 1. From equation number 1, B transpose place we can write down as a B. A transpose place we can write down as A. Reason is A and B are the symmetric matrices. So B transpose place we are writing as transpose of B. B, B, A transpose place A minus A, B. Just in between we are taking the common of minus outside. P transpose value is equals to minus of AB minus BA. What is the meaning of AB minus BA? AB minus BA can be written as matrix P. P transpose value is equals to minus P. Whenever we are getting P transpose value is equals to minus P, immediately P is a skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, P, that is AB minus BA is a skew symmetric matrix. Hence it is true. That's our answer. Hence it is true. Again, I will repeat once again. Listen very carefully. Here, in this theorem, they are given that A and B are symmetric matrices. Given A and B are symmetric matrices. This is given. A and B are the symmetric matrices means A and B are the symmetric matrices means A transpose value is equals to A, B transpose value is equals to B. This is one condition. Then we are proving about that this matrix AB minus BA is also skew symmetric. This total matrix I assumption of one matrix, that is called it as matrix P. Matrix P can be written as AB minus BA. Now we need to find out P transpose. Find out the value of P transpose means AB minus BA whole transpose. This is in the form of A minus B whole transpose. That is A transpose minus B transpose formula. Here we are writing as AB whole transpose minus BA whole transpose. AB whole transpose also we have the formula in transpose of a matrix. AB whole transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose. So A into B whole transpose, that value can be written as B transpose into A transpose minus BA whole transpose can be written as A transpose into B. Up to here, no. From equation number 1. What is equation number 1? A transpose place we are replacing matrix A. B transpose place we are replacing matrix B. Why? Because A and B are the symmetric matrices. So B transpose place I am replacing as B. A transpose place I am replacing as A. A transpose A. B transpose B. In between we are taking the common of minus outside. AB minus BA. So this is the AB minus BA is matrix P. So P transpose value is equals to minus P. Therefore P is a skew symmetric matrix. Hence it is proved. Very easy theorem. Here only we are getting some little bit of confusion. Here, small confusion here. B transpose plus B, A transpose plus A transpose plus A, B. How we are getting? Simple concept. From this step to in this step we are getting because of equation number 1. Equation number 1 we will say about that. Given that A and B are the symmetric matrices. What is the meaning of A and B are the symmetric matrices? A and B are the symmetric matrices means A transpose value is equals to A, B transpose value is equals to B. Same simple logic, but theorem very important. In our matrices concept, 3 theorems are there. 3 theorems, 3 mark questions, very important. Already we discussed 3, 2, one more is there. That we will discuss one more class. Here the concept is very clear. A and B are the symmetric matrices of same order. Then prove that AB minus BA is a skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix we are proving. What is the condition of skew symmetric? You need to understanding. AB minus BA. This is a one matrix. This matrix transpose. QP transpose. We are getting. We'll get the value of P transpose value is equals to minus P. We are getting. Immediately we know that P is a skew symmetric matrix. That is our theorem. Important theorem.
స్టాప్ చేయాలా క్లాస్ చెప్పాలా
ఇంకోటి